so what'd you make here?
It's lemon chicken on plain for you, and on this side is with spinach, prosciutto, and provolone cheese.
How did you bread the chicken?
Take eggs and you beat the eggs and you dip the chicken in the eggs and then in the breadcrumbs and you fry it.
And what kind of oil do you fry it with?
Wesson oil.
Wesson?
Vegetable oil, yes.
Wesson vegetable oil. How do you fry the chicken?
In the oil on the top of the stove.
In this pan?
Yes, in that pan.
Okay. And how long do you fry it for?
Until it turns light brown.
Okay. All right, so you put the chicken in the sautéed sauce afterwards, after it was already cooked with the eggs and stuff. So you cooked the lemon sauce for 15 to 20 minutes. How long did you saute it for?
Just a couple minutes, until the garlic got a little, tablespoon of olive oil, some tomatoes cut up, sauteed it, added some butter, some lemon
juice.
Lemon juice.
Okay.
And some chicken broth, and some pepper, and some garlic powder, basil, and oregano. That's
Okay.
it. And then just saute it a little bit. And
how long did you cook the lemon sauce for?
Just for 15, 20 minutes.
Are you going to throw this in the oven?
No, it's already fixed. It's ready to be served.